Good day, everybody. Welcome to another episode of my phone show. As you can see, I did not want any of the dust that settles around here to hurt the black pearl. So I covered it with tissue paper so that it won't be destroyed. Over here, a much tougher piece is the sand crawler. And then there's the SR-71 Blackbird from the X-Men. As you can see, I've collected a lot of stuff over the years. One of the things I've got is this bin right here. It is full of all different lengths and sizes of round stuff, because you need to make round things like these gun barrels, those missile tubes, these engines and those guns, the eyeball or that sensor on R2 unit, engines like that, or the tracks or the caterpillar parts. These are all amazing things that you have to collect if you want to do this art and be a master at it. You have to figure out how to make your own stuff. That is the most interesting part of this for me. It's like this micro AT-AT right here. These wires that let the front legs actuate back and forth like this. And those are made out of a staple, just a regular old staple for paper. The joints of those were little tiny staples I cut down and fit into that joint. These little sensors, those are staples. I had to build those guns. The stuff you can learn how to do, if you just put your mind to it, is amazing. There's a Falcon missing the radar. General Grievous, I'm continuing to work on him and get him completed. I just have a little bit of detail work down here on the tail section, and then touch up paint, and the F-14 will be complete. Now, a lot of people, you always asking me if I sell my stuff. The F-14 is for sale. Took me 3 weeks to build it. I want $1,000 for it. It is signed, dated, and numbered 1 of 1. Tomcat. Whoever decides to buy this piece from me, the wings also, here, I'll show you here in just a second. Aha. The wings open up. Now, that's it. Whoever buys this from me gets their name put on the bottom of the stand before I coat it with clear coat. So anyway, those are things that can be done. The amazing stuff that you can make with a little bit of effort, some recycled paper, I kind of like this out the way I've got this table set up now. Anyway, Paper Army, salute. I love you a lot. I will see you at noon Pacific Standard Time. Hey, what is that? And that's about an hour.